Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial of my YouTube content planner. This is how the main dashboard looks. You can find all the necessary section related to YouTube here. If you want to take this template, link is in the description box. I kept the dashboard very minimal so that you can use it very easily. If you run a YouTube channel and you need a system for consistency, this template can help you. Let's go to each section one by one. Firstly, I have added a how to use page. You can open it from here. You can find all the instructions on how to use it. When you open this page, it will look like this. I have added this so that you can use it effectively. Now, I added quick capture buttons. From here, you can add quick pages to any database. This button helps capturing any database quickly. Next, you will see a navigation bar. Here, I kept all the pages included in this template for easy access. Next, here you can see content calendar. All the scheduled posts will show up here. Next, you can see goals in gallery view. Next, you can see a task table. All the tasks related to daily and weekly will show up here. You can add tasks from here. Next, you will see a content dashboard. I added many database shares so that you can access different tasks. First, there is current week task. Then due task, if there is any due task from previous day. Then you can see a content calendar. Then you can see post by status, publish post, and all the post in a gallery view. Here you can see the niche section. I kept this very simple so that you can add category of your channel and tags here. Here I keep the bookmark and idea dashboard. You can brainstorm here. Any idea and resources will be added here. Now with button feature you can add a task. This new task will show up in task table. From here you can add the post, related post. You can add priority. You can add status of the task, then time of the task, and the time you need to create the time you need to do the work. Next, you can schedule a post. Click on the button and add your post here. Again, here will be all the necessary details for you to add posting time, status, and type of the content. You can add all the related info here. Here I'm adding the posting time. Then you can add type of the content. It is a short. Then you can add a status. It is in editing. Then you can add assigned person. Then you can add text. You can check off the box if you posted. Now you can add task table. Any task related to the schedule post will show up here. Next button is for adding goals. Click on it to add a new goal. Here you will again fill related property. You can decide level of the task, status of the task, and the effort you need to fulfill the task. Added date and end date. Here decide the level, if it is tough or achievable. Then status, then effort, how much effort it need, high, medium or low. I am changing the icon here because I have kept all the red icons, so I am adding here. Here you can add an idea, add a link of related content. Any resources or idea you have, you can add it here. You can see the post we add here. This is a weekly calendar. All the upcoming post will show up here. I'm deleting the old page I created, and this one is the schedule post. The new goal is showing up here. The post will show up in content dashboard. Here in this calendar it is also showing. Let's go to inside every page. In content dashboard you will see same database as home page. There is nothing extra here. I have kept this very simple and low effort so that you don't need to juggle between many things. In content planning page you will see niche dashboard. And all the bookmark links for ideas. In niche section you can add related tags, and by you choose this niche. I have kept 4 to 5 niches. Then the random section, you can capture any thought you have about the channel here. Next page is about channel branding. When you open it, you will see different things related to branding, like font, color. First, I kept my profile. You can add another profile from here if you have more than one profile in YouTube. Then I open it. You see all the related information about your YouTube channel. You can add your logo here. You can add your banner from here. You can write your bio. You can keep the subscriber count and related tags, how many videos you posted, and link of the channel, and also your current goals. Next, in gallery you will see all the brand colors. You can customize each section. When you open a page, you will see different properties like color hex code and how you are using this in your branding. Next, you will see font dashboard. You can keep all the font you use in your YouTube branding here. You can see related property here as well. From here you can change this image. If you have different font than mine, you can make this in Canva. Here you can add your intro or outro video. You can embed your videos here. Next, Here you can make a mood board for your vibe on Canva. So this is the branding page. I will go back to my home page again, and then I will go to last page, goals and vision board. It is a simple one page about goals and visions. I have added some prompts for you. Things like vision for the channel, intention behind the channel. These questions will give you idea about your channel. Here you can see goal section. I have kept goal section here so that it will keep you motivated. The new goal is showing here. You can see vision board here. You can add different image in this vision board as your channel. In this image and media section, you can add different image. From add an image, and you can delete this image from here. So this is all for my YouTube content planner. It is a simple YouTube content planner to help you do your YouTube content planning. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are looking for more Notion tutorial in future. See you next time, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye.